All right, hi, I'm James with the 1 Hour Smart Home. You can visit us at onehoursmarthome.com or you can subscribe, like this video, support us. Today we are going to be going over the Ring Door View Cam. We're going to do a little unboxing for you, show you what's going on. But basically, this is the latest camera smart home doorbell in Ring's lineup. So what's a little bit different about this doorbell camera is that it is battery powered. Okay, you can see that right there. But it is designed to go in peephole. So it's perfect for renters, people that live in condo buildings, or if you've got a peephole and you don't have any existing doorbell wiring, it does serve a very special purpose and a great niche for a lot of you. So it's got HD video, two-way talk, an impact sensor, which is really a knock sensor if someone knocks on the door, and easy installation. You can also just press this button right here. It will ring like a normal doorbell on your phone or when combined with a Ring chime. We're gonna put the links to this below. Click on those if you wanna support us. And as always, please subscribe. That does help this channel, help us make more videos. So we're just gonna go through the box here, show you what's going on. What I do like with this, it does work with Alexa. It's got adjustable motion detection. It works just like the other Ring doorbells. Rechargeable battery pack. And one thing that you should note about this, the rechargeable battery pack, which is a really nice feature, is that you can get extra spare batteries for those on Amazon. We'll include the links to those below as well. But because the battery pack is mounted indoors, it's going to give you some extra battery life, because batteries like to be in a conditioned or warm environment. They don't like the cold. So when you put the battery pack inside, which is what this does because the exterior part doesn't have the batteries in it, just the camera, that's going to help you out. So you'll be able to see when somebody is at your front door from your phone with this. Like I said, great for renters. So we've got it open. You can see the box there. It's a gray box. And say hello to Ring. This is the instruction manual, probably some other stuff in there. We'll open it up. Okay. Somehow I can't figure out how to open that up. There it is. All right, so spare connector cable. Okay, they give you a spare connector cable. That must be how you connect the two parts and pieces of this thing. So we'll put that to the side here. What's in that? There's nothing in there. Just the instruction booklet back here. So it tells you how to set it up, scan this code, a little sticker, instructions, and there's a little sticker. Obviously, it would be obvious when you got this thing on your door. So we'll put that stuff to the side for now and get into this. So this is nice because it's not overly obtrusive on your front door. Like you can see, here's my hand. It's nice. It's a compact size. It looks nice. It's got smooth lines. It's not going to draw too much attention, but you'll know it's there. So I do like that. You've got right here, you can press down here, it's going to ring the doorbell. You've got the camera, you've got a motion sensor in there, and you can see on the back, it's got this piece, okay? So that's designed to go through your door, through the peephole that you've already got. Then you put this thing on, like so, and it sandwiches it, and now you have a smart doorbell on your front door. So I really like this thing. I saw it first at CES 2019. This just came out right before Amazon Prime Day. It was available. And then here's the battery pack. So this goes on the back side. And let me look here. Oh, you know what this is? This is an actual peephole. So you can actually look through here and use it just like a regular peephole. Or if you want privacy, you can do that. Nobody can look through your peephole until you want to. So, you know, I would usually use my phone, but it will function like a normal old-fashioned peephole too, that's nice functionality. I didn't even know that. So you just open this up. You could look through the back side here. It's covered up because the connector's over it right now, and that's just how they package it. And you could look through your peephole, or you could do the smart way of doing it. Do it on your phone or with Alexa. We've got some links to how to set up Ring with Alexa down below or on our website, onehoursmarthome.com, onehoursmarthome.com, all spelled out in words. Okay, so what is this? This is the rechargeable right here. This is the rechargeable battery connector. I don't know what it says, door view key. Oh, there's a key in here. What's that? Oh, okay, this must be the tool, how you screw in this back connector or do something like that. I don't know exactly how it works, but you get the idea. You use this to screw the two parts together, but it's neat, that little key that they've got in there. What else do they have? Ring door view kit. Okay, so you've got some, it looks like some different size hole adapters in there for the peephole, so you can get it to fit. What's that? Looks like that's also another size adapter. All right, and the rechargeable battery, of course. So these are just these standard Ring doorbell batteries. You can get them for like 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon. All kinds of different manufacturers make these, including Ring, but third-party people make them as well. And some of those third-party ones work, and some of them aren't as good. So just do the research yourself, or you can click the link below. I always recommend having a spare battery. That way you can easily replace them without having any downtime. Okay, so that's the bottom of the box. There is nothing left. All right, thank you for watching this Ring Door View Cam unboxing. I really like this product. I have not turned it on yet, but I did test it at CES and did like it there. So I know how it functions. But Ring Doorbell's high quality product. The big advantage of this is having the battery pack indoors, as well as if you're a renter or you've got an apartment or a condo building, a place that traditionally won't let you put doorbells next to the door. You could put this right through the peephole. You could take it with you and no one would be the wiser or probably say anything about it. So if you're a renter, I highly recommend this to increase your security. Ring is quality products. I haven't had any issues with any of them. The biggest thing is you want to have a good Wi-Fi network when you've got any of this stuff. So that is important for any smart home device. So have a good Wi-Fi network, Eero, Google Home, Google Wi-Fi. That stuff's all good. Well, thank you for watching 1hoursmarthome.com. Please like, subscribe to this video. Check us out at 1hoursmarthome.com. And if you want to support us, click on the links below. That helps us get commissions on Amazon, allows us to support this channel and other product reviews, as well as our website. So thank you very much. Bye.